Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Henson, and welcome to my course, Executing Complex Queries with Elasticsearch. I'm a data author here at Pluralsight. Elasticsearch was my first entry into the world of big data, and it was huge for my career. Chances are you have used many different applications that use Elasticsearch on the back end for their search capabilities. In this course, we're going to expand on Elasticsearch queries by learning more complex use cases. Some of the major topics that we will cover include: understand how to apply Elasticsearch filters, step-by-step for building Elasticsearch join queries, an understanding of how scoring works within Elasticsearch, and then methods for building compound queries with Elasticsearch. By the end of this course, you'll feel comfortable using complex Elasticsearch queries. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Elasticsearch queries, and some background in SQL will be helpful, but it's not required. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Elasticsearch with courses on indexing data in Elasticsearch or executing full-text queries with Elasticsearch. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Elasticsearch with the Executing Complex Queries with Elasticsearch course here at Pluralsight.